Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss very important topic, which is the backbone of the whole ERP, a chart of accounts. Okay, so please stay focused, stay continued till the end of the video and grab all the different areas that are really important and you need to build your strong ERP, and that they will provide beneficial information. So here we are in the chart of account. If I click in the Arabic section, okay, Arabic button, you can see that we can switch this to the Arabic as well. Okay, we have here assets. Under this, the categories of asset, liabilities, the type of liabilities, capital, okay, and sales and revenue. We have masarif, I mean expenses. Okay, so let us translate to English and I will explain one by one. We have here 5 level of chart of accounts. As you can see that in the 0 1, okay, first is the asset, and 0 2 is the liability, 0 3 is the capital, 0 4 revenue, and 0 5 expense and other expense. And under one tree, as I spoke, we have 5 different levels. So it's mean that if you take an example, assets, we have child of this current asset, and again the third hierarchical category is cash and banks, and in the fourth we have cash in banks and cash in hand. If I click on the assets, all the assets under this, okay, all the dependent or child of this asset will automatically populated here. But if you click here, as you can see, you cannot do anything. Okay, for example, you cannot create anything here. Let me show you. If I go here, uh, in the current asset and in cash in bank, you see it is automatically executing the relevant data. If I go to the banks are there. And for example, if you are here and you want to create, it would not allow you to create until you will be the last tree of the account, which is in case of asset we have cash in banks. Okay, for example, if you want to create, okay, another new level, you can create, right click, okay, and create these levels. Okay, second, third, fourth level. For example, 1 2, we are in the third level, so we will create the fourth level. Okay, so you can see that this is 003 petty cash, and the fourth level, if I provide the name in English and Arabic, it will be automatically created for me. Okay, I have to mention the type, so all the types are of course from the same types, which is the formula of the balance sheet: asset is equal to liability plus capitals. So 5 different types of account: asset, liabilities, capital, revenue, and expenses. Okay, this is the security level. Okay, you can create your security level to secure your chart of account from the different users access. And for example, let me go back. If I want to create a new bank, okay, so I will click in the cash in banks. I can change the name, for example, to NCB. Okay, and I if I go and create Al Raji, for example, Arabic name, you can see that an automatic code is created for you. Okay, so in the same way, you will go and you will create your accounts, and code will be automatically created for you. For example, another bank is Samba, for example, Arabic name. So you will write here Arabic name. Okay, so that's it. So easy. You will create, and you can see that it will give you the message that your changes has been saved successfully in the bottom. Let me show you the area, for example, over here. Okay, as you can see that, okay, this message is coming. And now the more detail you can enter, for example, in case of banks, if I double click over here, okay, you can enter the bank account, okay, IBAN number, address and remarks. Okay, for other kind of customers, for example, we have here account receivable, and under account receivable I have all my customers, okay, sales parties. If I click the detail section, I can enter more data, okay, contact person and this and that. So let me browse, okay, this in more detail. As you can see, we have here assets. Under this current asset, cash in hand, okay, and in cash in hand we have three different category where we can populate our accounts. For example, we have here cash in hand. Maybe someone need, he can have cash at site, okay, cash at head office, okay, that's it. Account receivable, all these parties, because as you have seen in the customer video, whenever I am creating one customer, an automatic entry is being created in here at this level, okay. Here we have inventories. Actually most of the thing, 90% we have created a template chart of account for you. You have to do nothing for this. Just you want to that account, okay, use it. You don't want to, don't use it, and you can rename it according to your choices, okay. Mostly we have created groups for you. As you can see that here we have all different types. In fixed asset we have already created, okay, some of the standard like land, building, okay, improvement, but you can create, as I am saying that by right clicking here you have to select which level you want to create, okay, and automatic account is created. For example, I want to create fourth level. As you can see that this is the 8 and 9 one created automatic for you. You just have to mention the English and Arabic name and uh, select the type, okay. Security level is optional, you don't need, you can skip this. And if you click this button, so under this all these chart of account will get created and updated with the same level. Sometime if you miss, you can use this option to apply this account type to all levels. By default it is taking care all of this, okay. This is the depreciation, okay. The same way you have asset, you have depreciation, and we have created a head and under head one account as an exemplary for you. But if you create your new asset, okay, of course you will create the corresponding accumulation account, okay, in the proper category or the level you have created your asset account. In the liabilities we have here current liabilities, okay, account payable. Here we have suppliers, okay. As you can see, normally we will not create any supplier from here. We will go back, like in case of customers we have a suppliers creation form where we will create an automatic code will be created over here. And all other different liabilities account in capital, excuse me, in capital we have here capital, owner, drawing, revenue, surplus, gain and loss account. In revenue we have sales, okay. And in expenses we have all of your purchases, and other expenses all the operating and other expenses incurred in during running the business. As you can see this a big list of the expenses, daily payroll, rent, and you can click this and you can find the detail of this, okay. So mostly the heads and the subheads of all these accounts are automatically given to you. This is the depreciation of your assets. We have same heads like land, building and others. If you go and click in the Arabic version, okay, let me show you. Arabic version is also same, okay. If the user in the understand Arabic, he can use in the Arabic format, okay. The formula, the method and criteria is totally same. You can see that I am doing it for you, okay. We have here purchases, we have other expenses. As you can see that all the other expenses are automatically with you. So this is very important and vital part of the ERP. If you go click here print button, it will give you the printout. Okay, and in the printout you can see that we have already mentioned that all the different parts, all the different categorically areas of the chart of account. The thing to understand, the most important, which I am going to explain you once more, the level where you will create your own account. Okay, see, suppose if you are sitting here, for example here, okay, you can see that this is not the bottom level, okay, because bottom level is below this. You cannot create here. You may be update, you can update here, but you cannot create. To creation in this account, you have to go to the last, okay, uh, last parent. Okay, in case of, for example, if you want to create the supplier, you will go to the liabilities, current liabilities, okay, account payable and account payable trader. If you click here, then you can see that you can change your name. Okay, you can create, and an automatic, you can see that code will be applied here. You see, that's it. You have to just save it. That's it, like this. Okay, so it is available for you. And you want to delete, okay, for example, this, and that's it, save. You will be able to delete successfully until and unless it has no balance in this account. Okay, if you have populated any kind of voucher and the balance get credited or debited into the account, then you cannot delete this account. So I hope so you have better understanding now. We have fifth level of, in summary I am explaining again, we have fifth level of chart of accounts. As you can see that with this fifth level you can literally build any multinational company chart of account. Okay, and all these levels you can create your own. You can edit, for example, you want to edit this, the name of this, you click here, please press edit, and you can name it, and then that's it, save it. It will be updated according to your name. If you want to create a new detail of this, you will go to the proper position. Like I want to create at this level, so I will go up and then I will create fourth level. Okay, I will provide here name in English and Arabic, press save button, it will be created for me. But the postable account will get created only if you are at the second last position, I mean the fourth level. Okay, then you can come up here and then you can create your own. Okay, and automatic, you do not have to bother about the account will be created automatically for you. Okay, so that's it. This is the important part. I am sure you will have a good idea about creation and manipulation in the chart of account. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.